Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to browse Instagram without friends and followers knowing you're online? In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off your active status in the Instagram app in 2024. Let's go. When your activity status is on, the people you follow and anyone you message will see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram. To turn your activity status on or off, open your Instagram app and ensure it's updated to the latest version. Next, click your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your account, and tap More Options in the top right. On Settings, below How Others Can Interact with You, select Messages and Story Replies. Go to Show Activity Status. Then tap Switch Off to turn off your activity status. Also, there's Show When You're Active Together. When enabled, this setting allows both you and the other person in a DM conversation to see if you're both currently active on Instagram at the same time. You can also turn this off. Keep in mind that if you turn off your activity status, you won't see when accounts that follow you or are in direct conversation with you are active, have been active recently, or are currently active in the same chat as you. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.